Namaskar. Edgy International School welcomes you for the e-assignment demo. In this video, you will be told how to use e-assignment through your Pocket Study app. First of all, log in to your Pocket Study app. Now click on e-assignment tab, which can be seen as a red color tab on the screen. The new page will open. Here you can see the subject and the title of the assignment. Click on the name of assignment, like here it is adverb. PDF of assignment will open in next page. Click on the PDF icon to see the assignment. As soon as you click on PDF, it will be downloaded. Now, you can exit from Pocket Study app and solve your assignment. Solve your assignment on a single line sheet. It is compulsory to use single line page. While writing your assignments, following points should be considered. Point number 1, write your name, class, section, date, subject on the top left corner of every page. I repeat, every page. Please add page numbers at the bottom right side of your page. For example, if total pages are 5, then number it as 1/5 for first page, 2/5 for the second page, 3/5, 4/5 and so on. Make sure your handwriting is legible. In case if you are drawing diagram or any figure, it should be labeled properly. Please mention the correct question number from the PDF file. After being sure about completion of assignment, take a clear picture of your assignment page-wise. Kindly click one page at a time. For instance, page 1 should have only one pic. To submit the assignment, come back to Pocket Study app e-assignment section. Click on Submit Assignment. You can find a plus icon on screen, so click on plus icon to submit your assignment. Please use IMG 1 to submit page 1 of your assignment. Likewise, IMG 2 for page 2, IMG 3 for page 3 and so on. There may be extra image slot also, which you may leave. Please note that the moment you have selected the image, it will be considered as submitted. Submission is the last step of your assignment. You will be informed about the opening and closing time on the day or either a day before assignment. No submission will be permissible after the closing time. The timing of the software is based on Indian Standard Time plus 5:30 hours. Now, let's take a quick recap. First, we need to log in Pocket Study app. Then click on e-assignment, PDF, and PDF will be downloaded. Please fill all the details like name, date, subject, class. Solve the assignment. Recheck the details once again. Don't forget to add the page number. Click a clear photograph and submit the picture in the IMG. I hope this information will be beneficial for all of you. Thank you. on behalf of Edgy International School.